Welcome to the People's Law Library of Iowa website. The purpose of this website is to provide easy-to-understand, basic legal information about some areas of Iowa law. This resource is one of many good free places to begin your research, to build your understanding of legal issues, and to link to other helpful sources, including the full text of law, helpful forms, and information on ways to seek legal assistance. The information on this site is not legal advice, nor is this site a replacement for a lawyer. This tour is designed for those using the desktop version of this website. If you are accessing this website on a tablet or mobile device, the navigation will look slightly different. I will be using my cursor to help direct your attention throughout this tour. Now let's begin exploring the People's Law Library of Iowa website. The contents of this website can be accessed through menu items in the navigation bar or through three large blue boxes in the middle of the homepage. Introductory information on how to conduct basic legal research in Iowa can be found in the How Do I section. In this section, you will also see the Find a Lawyer link. If you need legal advice or legal help, please follow this link to find more information about finding a lawyer, including free and low-cost options. Basic information on three topic areas, which include links to additional resources, can be found in the navigation bar under Research Topics, and also here in the Research Topics box. The section called Legal Terms Defined in the navigation bar collects and defines some of the legal terms and phrases we use on this site. The definitions from this page are automatically linked to terms that appear throughout the website. If you see a term underlined in dashes, simply click on the term to view a definition. Additionally, explanation videos like the one you are viewing now can be found by clicking the link in the welcome box to our YouTube channel. If you don't know where to begin your research, you can use the search feature in the upper right corner of this window to search through the People's Law Library website. If you don't know where to start, you can also ask a law librarian for help. By clicking on the How Can We Help You link in this final blue box, you will be taken to the State Library of Iowa's website. There you will find several ways to connect with professional librarians. We hope this brief tour has provided you with a helpful overview of this website. We wish you a productive research session, and we hope you find what you seek.